In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or set the default PDF viewer on Android. Sometimes you tap on a PDF and it opens in an app you don't really like, or maybe it starts asking you every single time which app to use. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to pick a PDF viewer you prefer and make sure your Android device remembers that choice. First, unlock your Android phone and go to your home screen. From there, swipe down from the top or look for the Settings app, then tap to open it. We'll be doing everything from inside the Settings menu, so take a moment to make sure you're actually in the main Settings screen, not inside a specific app's settings. Next, scroll until you find the section related to apps. Depending on your Android version or phone brand, this might be called Apps, App Management, Applications, or something very similar. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can see and manage all the apps installed on your device. Inside the Apps section, look for an option like Default Apps or something that mentions default settings. On some phones, you might need to tap on 3 dots in the corner or choose an advanced option to find it. Once you see Default Apps, tap it to open the list of things your phone can set defaults for, such as browser, phone, and files. Now, you're looking for the default app that handles PDF files. This might appear under a category like Opening Links, Documents, or File Types. If your phone groups things under a Files or Documents option, tap that. You should see the current app that opens PDFs listed there. Tap on the current default PDF app, and a list of compatible PDF viewers installed on your phone will appear. This can include apps like your File Manager, a browser, or any dedicated PDF reader you've installed from the Play Store. Choose the app you prefer by tapping on it. Once you do, your selection will be saved automatically as the new default. To quickly test it, close Settings, find any PDF file on your phone, and tap to open it. If everything worked, it should now open in the app you just selected without asking you again. If you ever change your mind, just repeat these same steps to set a different default PDF viewer in the future.